Hello friends, welcome to Technical Academy. I am Kapil Chauhan. This is our lecture number 28 in Electronic Devices and Circuits. In this lecture we will be studying about the application of LEDs, advantages of using LEDs and disadvantages of using LEDs. So we will start with application of the LEDs. So there are various application of LEDs. For example, automobile headlamps, general purpose lightings, lighted wallpapers, horticulture grow lights, and medical devices also uses LEDs. So these are the various applications, and the next application is digital computers and calculators. In digital computers and calculators, these LEDs are used. Traffic signals and burglar alarms also uses LEDs. In burglar alarm, infrared LEDs are used. Microprocessor and multiplexers are also using LEDs for the purpose of indication. And for example, if you are designing microprocessor, if we are designing any circuitry using microprocessor, then we can use LEDs for the indicator purpose. And for example, if we want to design multiplexer circuits using different logic gates, then we are using LEDs for that purpose to show our output. And the picture phones and digital watches, these are also using LEDs. Camera flashes and automotive heat lamps, these are also the application of LEDs. Aviation lighting purpose also uses LEDs. Measuring devices and interacting with processes involved no human vision. Instead of human vision, LED is used. Narrowband light sensors, where LEDs operate in a reverse bias mode and respond to the incident light instead of emitting light. So this is also one of the very important application of LED. So these are the various applications of LEDs. Now we are going to study about the advantages of LEDs. What are the advantages we are getting if we are using LEDs? So the first advantage is that brightness of the LED can be controlled by varying the current. So this is one of the important. The second one is these are smaller in size, light in weight, and have longer in lifetime. So they are smaller in size, so we can carry it to any place very easily. And light in weight, they are also very light in weight and have longer lifetime. So these are the advantages. And the third one is these are very cheap, readily available, and consume low energy. So they are easily available and they are very cheap. We can purchase even in 1 rupees, 2 rupees per LEDs, and they consume very less energy. So this is also one of the advantages. LEDs operate very fast, so their operation is very fast. It means they takes very less time for the operation. These can emit different colors of the light. So we have studied that there are various LEDs depending on the colors. So whatever color we want to use, we can select such types of LEDs. It means we can say that there are various types of LEDs which are available in different colors, and we can use these different color LEDs for our purpose. And the last advantage is LEDs do not contain toxic material like mercury, in which fluorescent like mercury which is used in fluorescent lamps. So in mercury we have studied that in fluorescent lamp mercury is used, that is dangerous chemical, but in case of LED these types of toxic chemicals are not used. So we can say that this is one of the advantages. And next, moving to the disadvantages of using LEDs. So the main disadvantage of using LEDs are efficiency is very low and need more power to operate than normal PN junction diode. So the efficiency of LEDs are very less and they need lot of power for their operation. than normal PN junction diode. So this is one of the disadvantage of using LEDs. So friends, if you like this video, then you can subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. For more updates, please like, subscribe and press the bell icon.